how to contact Google Support Live Chat. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to contact Google Support via live chat. So let's get started. On this process, at first, you'll have to open up any browser on your system. Alright, after you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to type for support.google.com, and after you search for it, you will get this type of interface. From here, you'll have to just choose the Google product you need help with, like Gmail, Google Ad, YouTube, or your Google account. From here, I will choose for this Google Chrome. Alright, after you choose one, you'll have to scroll down, and at the bottom right corner, you'll have to tap on Help Guide. Okay, after you tap on Help Guide, you will get this type of interface. From here, at the bottom left, tap on Something Else. Alright, after you tap on Something Else, from there you'll have to just log in with your Google account, and on this section you can manually start a live chat with Google Support. So from here you can manually describe your problem to this Google Support live chat. So this is the method to access live chat of Google Support. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.